Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your tech trainer for Keller, Williams, Raleigh, and Wake Forest, here with your tech tip for the week. And your tech tip this week is so easy, you can even do it with a baby in your lap. Alright gang, the tip for this week is going to be making your very own smart plan. So first we need to go over to the Smart Plan applet. Once inside of Smart Plans, we're going to go up to the top right and click Create, and we're going to name our smart plan. After naming your smart plan, go ahead and click Apply. Alright, once we are in the actual smart plan, we're going to need to design a couple of the different steps. So first and foremost, I want to design a system where after I've made a call to my client asking for business, then I'm going to follow up with a text message and a handwritten note. So I'm going to click Make a Call as my first step. Then I'm going to choose Set a Delay for 1 day. And you can change that to as many days as you want, but I'm just going to do 1 day. Then I'm going to set it to send a text message. Now notice here that it says that I don't have a Twilio account connected. In the event that you aren't using Twilio, this will create a task in your task list that will remind you to text message this person directly, and that's what I like to do for my business. On the same day that I text my client for follow-up, I'm also going to want to send a handwritten note. And to do that, I'm going to choose the Create a Task option, and down here under the Create a Task, and under this task, I'm going to write handwritten notes so that I know what to follow up with. I'm also going to put in a description here to remind me what I want to touch on in this note. Now, I could set this up and have this assigned for a small group of people and just do this once, or I could have this repeat, which I'm going to set up for it to do this now. These are going to be for my A+ clients, and I want to do this once a month. So I'm going to go ahead and say Set Delay, and under Delay, I'm going to set it to 30 days. And last but not least, I want to set it to Restart Flow. And what that will do is restart this entire process the next month. I hope this helps you in designing your own smart plans and that you can utilize this to empower your business. Once again, I'm Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for Keller, Williams, Raleigh, and Wake Forest. Have a great week, y'all.